another video. Today we are doing a challenge and that is a food challenge. I guess I'm very well food
Yeah, first time, yes.
So basically हम जो भी खाएंगे हम A to Z order wise ही खाएंगे. We
Yes.
cannot have anything else.
And right now it is 12 in the noon. हमने अब तक कुछ भी नहीं खाया
Yeah.
because हम लोग बाहर गए थे चीजें खरीदने.
Yes.
So we are ready and also sorry अगर बाजू में AC का noise आ रहा है.
Yeah,
Dude,
it's
it's
too
too hot.
hot.
It's too hot. Like
Yeah.
we cannot. And also lastly for all the alphabetical things we'll either have the food item or the brand which starts from the name.
Yeah.
So like for example with you, if we don't have any other item, actual item, we will buy something which has the brand name that starts with you.
Yeah.
I hope you understand that. And now let's start. ऐसा literally ऐसा लग रहा है हम लोग कोई fast तोड़ने बैठे हैं.
True.
So the first letter is A and we are gonna have almonds from A.
Yes.
So we have our almonds right here. And also by the way हम लोग ज़्यादा नहीं खाएंगे कोई भी
Yeah.
चीज़ का because बहुत कुछ खाना है पूरे दिन में. So like दो तीन
Yeah.
चीज़ें सामने लग रहा है.
Oh finally अच्छा लग रहा है कुछ खाने को.
खा के.
I'm
And
so
we are at
hungry.
Dinker's place by the way, if you
Yes.
didn't notice till now.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean we are done with
Yeah.
that. Also guys, हम लोग A to E अभी साथ में कर रहे हैं
Yes.
because सब छोटी items है, so that would be like a good breakfast for us. So
Yeah.
A is done. Now for B, we have bhel. तो ये मैं अपने घर से लेके आई.
Yes.
So let's have bhel.
So now for C, the thing which I'm most excited is coconut water. हम जब नीचे गए थे, we got coconut water. ये टोपी में full वो
So
है.
yeah, मैंने पहले ही पी लिया but cheers. Oh
ये
god,
one sip down मारा है. Oh god.
it was too good. It was too
Yeah.
good.
For B, we have dates. That is khajur.
Khajur.
Again, something which I love.
Yeah, and it's very healthy.
Yeah.
With you, my whole life is all I am.
Sorry guys, ये frame थोड़ा टेढ़ा हो गया है, God knows why. But moving on to E,
Yeah.
not so healthy at all. We are having eclair chocolate. So अब जैसे see, I was saying for example this eclair is
Yeah.
a name of the chocolate, right? It's not a chocolate. You get it. You get the point. So now we will see you guys in some time. थोड़ी भूख लगेगी तब
Yeah.
for the rest of the alphabets. Bye. So guys, now it's time to do the other three alphabets. So we are taking F, G and H साथ में.
Yes.
So for F we have fruity.
Yeah.
So let's have it. आज तो भाई मतलब we are not even counting our calories. I'm ashamed at the number of junk we're gonna have today.
Yeah.
But you got to do what you got to do, and you're gonna open this for me.
Yes. Okay, so F is done. उसके बाद we have grapes, right?
So we have G से we have.
grapes. ठीक है.
Yeah, ठीक है, I
Not
mean.
bad. हम सब डब्बे में पैक करके लेके आए
हाँ,
हैं.
मतलब बेसिकली there were some things जो मेरे घर पर थे,
Yeah.
some things जो इसके घर पे थे, तो जो मेरे घर पे थे मैं वो डब्बे में पैक करके लेके आई हूँ.
My whole life is all
H से we are having this cake. So ये ब्रांड का नाम है हनी बेल. So that is the reason we got it. और कुछ H से मेरे को सूझ ही नहीं रहा था ना.
Yeah, and this is something I personally
Yeah.
love. Guys, so the next letter is I, and we are going to have Amul ka ice cream, which is
Yeah.
ice cream. So we are going to share one because to be
Yeah.
very honest, अब तक इतनी भूख नहीं लग रही है.
सच्ची.
Yeah, so
We are just having it for the sake of having it.
actually this entire slot
Hmm.
we're gonna have it for the sake of having it.
Oh
She's
no.
continuing with the I. I'll come on to J. So for J we have jaggery over here, good. Which matlab guys, we're just gonna have like one bite of it. I'm just
Yeah.
telling you because I cannot like have
I
it.
can never have good.
Same here.
Like I'm a sweet person, फिर भी I can never have
So
good.
I'm just taking it in my.
मैंने गुड लिया.
It's bad.
I don't like it. Okay. Give me that. I'm gonna eat this right now.
Okay, something which is not sweet.
Yeah.
के हमने के से हमने के से खाकरा लिया हुआ है.
Yeah.
Now comes L and we have chosen lemon juice for that. Now हमारे साथ ऑप्शन में लेस भी था, but then I was like यार एकदम ही comfort zone में करेंगे तो challenge क्या होगा? So we are gonna squeeze the lemon juice directly into our mouth.
ये क्यों कर रहे हैं हम? क्यों?
We have to do it for the YouTube. Okay, चलो. Oh God, I'm not excited. मैं
I'm
थोड़ी
not
सी
ready
नजदीक आ
for
जाती हूँ.
this. I'm not ready for this.
We are doing it together. Stop looking at me. Put it. 1, 2, 3. अब मेरे मुंह में तो आया ही नहीं.
आया. Oh my God.
Ah,
It is
it's
so kadwa.
bad.
I never knew this is kadwa.
Right now we are going to the food court to continue. So we'll start with the letter M. So let's go. So guys, for M we are having momos. I also bought one aloo tikki because I'm really hungry. But this is Mek aloo tikki. So technically this is also M. So yeah, now let's dig in now. Guys, these are faces of fully fed people.
ऐसा कुछ फील नहीं खाया पर बहुत ज़्यादा खाया तो ऐसा कंटाल गई हो खा खा के ऐसा हो गया.
Yeah, so now it is our next letter, that is N, and we are going to have this Nutella, Ferrero and Go. These are hazelnut spread with cocoa and breadsticks. It's very very fancy. So yeah, Twinkle, open it. Super fancy.
Oh my God. Oh best. ये मैं पूरा खाने वाली हूँ.
It's good.
It is yum.
Now the next letter is O and we are having Oreo.
Oreo.
ये छोटा पैकेट हमने खरीद लिया था पहले. So we're gonna have that.
Yeah. Yes.
You have this.
Thank you. Guys, one Oreo biscuit for you. One Oreo and one Oreo over there. Cheers.
मीट से भरोसा उड़ गया. लाइक इससे ज़्यादा मीठा मैं नहीं खा सकती. I'm sorry. So guys, we are here at WTC Pasta for the letter P. हमने पिंक सॉस पास्ता का ऑर्डर दिया है. So yeah. So guys, it's time to have P and हम P से पास्ता लेकर आए हैं. This is pink sauce pasta from WTC and this is how it looks. Don't mind how we look. We are so full, like so full. And अब तक तो पी हुआ है, बहुत बाकी है. And we have eaten quite a lot of it actually.
Yeah.
And we forgot to vlog because we were busy talking. But now it's time for Q and R.
Yeah.
So for Q we are gonna have Quaker Oats.
इतना बड़ा पैकेट है. I wish हम actually में खा रहे होते. But we are just having a spoon of it. We are not cooking it or anything because to be honest, I am तो full. मेरे में कुछ ताकत नहीं खाने की. और आगे और भी बहुत सारी चीजें बाकी है. So we are just having a spoon of this.
Yeah, which is not a great idea.
Yeah.
Like we're gonna have it like kacha only.
And then I say we are having raisins. This is nice.
Yeah, we can have that.
Yeah.
Guys, so we have 1 spoon of Quaker Oats kacha. I'm so not excited about this,
Yeah.
but okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
यार कोई टेस्ट ही नहीं था.
It's like you're having dust.
Yeah, maybe. Okay.
Okay. Now to balance out, let's have some raisins.
Yeah, I love raisins. Raisins are my favorite.
Okay guys, so the next letter is S. So we have save here with us. I hope you can see.
Yes.
And then उसके बाद we have tea. So हमने थोड़े टमेटो के slices कट कर दिए हैं. तो मैं बस सेव को टमेटो के ऊपर डाल दूंगी.
Yeah.
So थोड़ा fancy हो जाएगा. I hope you all can see. This is how it looks. So S and T together. This was our creativity.
Yeah. End moment पे सूझा ये.
Yeah.
Nice.
Not bad, huh?
Yeah.
It tastes really good. Moving on. We have U. अब U से actually कोई food item तो मिला नहीं. So we bought this Unibic Choco Nut cookies. I hope you all can see.
Cheers. मैं अभी तक टमेटो खा रही हूँ मेरा.
Oh, this is nice.
Nice.
Not bad, yeah.
I'm having it for the first time.
Me too. I've just heard about this.
Okay.
Not bad.
After.
Okay guys, it is time for V and हम नीचे से वड़ा पाव लेकर आए हैं.
So guys, now it's time for W and हम बहुत common चीज कर रहे हैं, that is having wafer. So yeah. I'm liking this wafer. Oh, I want more.
डिंकल को वो मीठा चटनी वाला वड़ा पाव तीखा लगा. So the next letter is X and X से to be very honest हम लोग को कुछ भी नहीं मिल रहा था, not even a brand or a food item. So we googled it and Google पर ये लिखा हुआ था कि watermelon is also called as zigua. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Put up the picture of Google over here. So we thought इतना सा cheating चलता. It's not even cheating, but it's not a more popular word for watermelon.
But I guess इसके सिवा हमने सब कुछ on point किया है.
Yeah, so इतना सा चलता है.
So I have
watermelon
over
here.
here.
So to be very honest, ये हम लोग
सिर्फ खाने के लिए
सिर्फ खाने के लिए खा रहे हैं. ये इतना तो नहीं हो पाएगा.
So after X, Y पे हमें योगर्ट ही दिमाग में आ रहा था और कुछ नहीं आ रहा था. And we were like, we don't want to have the plain yogurt. Let's try something different. So we got this Epigama का yogurt. This is the strawberry variant. This is khatta.
I can't have the entire thing. Like just for the taste of it, it's
Yeah.
okay. Now we are down to the last letter,
my
which
God.
is Z.
Yes.
Again, Z से ना सिर्फ zucchini दिमाग में आ रहा था, but we were like we don't want to cook anything. बहुत ज़्यादा lazy हो रहे थे. So we found a dish at Pizza Hut which is called as Zesty Pocket. It is basically like an appetizer. So हम जब Infinity गए तब हमने वो ले लिया था
Yeah.
take away. So we are gonna have that Pizza Hut का Zesty Pocket with us, and it's oily. It's so oily.
Yeah. Okay, she's kind of liking it.
No, I'm not. It's weird. Have at least one bite. I don't like the taste of it. Do you?
No, I don't.
We are finally done with this challenge.
Yeah, our first food challenge.
First food challenge, and it was difficult. Okay,
It
like
was, it
end mein to it got really difficult, but we got through.
Yes.
Yes. If you like this video, please don't forget to
Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, click on the bell icon there to get notified every time we upload a new video.
and we shall see you all in our next video now. Bye.